Okay, hi folks. So recently, last couple of days, I bought a Jinty on eBay. I managed to find it for the princely sum of £20, including delivery. It's pretty good condition. There's nothing really missing. This is a little bit loose here, but glue will fix that. And there appears to be what looks like a soldering iron burn on the back, which I'm going to attempt to remedy as best I can, but hopefully I'll be able to hide that with a little bit of sanding and some weathering. Plus it's usually going to be like that with a carriage in the back or something, so you won't really see it anyway, so I think a bit of weathering should sort that out. But first things first, we need to sort out the motor, the chassis. It is very old and very dirty. You can just see there the build up of crap over the years. Now eventually we will be DCCing this as well, which will be either at the end of this video or a separate video as well. The wheels do need a good clean, and all that gunk and crap in there all needs wiping out. So I've got an army of cotton buds, and I've got good old fashioned WD-40. Now I know a lot of people say, oh, you shouldn't use WD-40, but at the end of the day, this was a 20 quid model and it was made in the era when WD-40 was king. So I don't think that'll be an issue. First things first, though, this thing needs to go to a bath. So we'll do that now, and then we'll come back and get started on the... This has just had a quick wash in the sink with just a little bit of washing up liquid and some warm water, and it's a lot better now. A few scratches and things, but you know, the model is at least 20 odd year old. When I bought this on eBay, it was actually a guy's son who sold it. It was his father's part of his father's collection, who recently passed away, so I want to do my best to give it a new home and make it a regular feature on the layout. Okay, we are well and get started on this lot then. We've just taken all the wiring off. Again, this is going to get DCC'd, so this has all been taken apart. We've cleaned the bushings on the motor, we've cleaned the contactor, we've cleaned the worm gear, and just now cleaning these little pickups which sit on the motor. They've all been cleaned. Alright, so that's everything re-greased, cleaned. Job's good. All this has been cleaned now. The wheels are as clean as I can get them. There's a few marks on there, score marks, but they don't appear to be dirty anymore. So, right, boys and girls, please excuse my shoddy camera work. I'm on the floor here. We've got the loco back together now, or the chassis back together anyway. I've redone the wiring in preparation for the arrival of the DCC decoder. When I get the decoder, I'm going to interrupt the power feed to the left terminal here and to the right there, and that should give us a DCC loco. Now the middle axle, this is interesting because the wheels on the left side, or the bottom side as we're looking at it, as you can see, there's a pickup there, a pickup there. The wheels on this side don't have pickups, so they pick up straight from the chassis. But on the middle, there's no pickup, but both wheels pick up from the chassis. And when you do the battery test, which I will just try and show you now with all of two hands, you put the battery on the back terminal there, and she spins, and the front again. It's not running great because I can't put the pressure on, but in the middle, it does it, but it's not great. Don't know why. It is an old loco, so. But I think again for 20 quid, you know, we can play with it. So yeah, we will. Yeah, that's it. We will finish up the wiring, get those paired up when the decoder arrives. There we go.